All right, we're here for sentencing. You entered a plea on September 9th. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking into consideration 2025 PF 20245. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We think the PSI speaks for itself. He has had some issues, but he did take full responsibility. He knows he could have done things differently, and we pray that the court follows the plea agreement.
This quiet room holds storms that can change a life. At this stage, the courtroom maintains a calm and procedural tone. Deferred adjudication suggests the court sees rehabilitation potential, not just punishment. The defense's admission of accountability indicates early cooperation, a crucial factor in sentencing outcomes. The absence of objections shows rare alignment between both sides, hinting that the case's complexity lies not in the facts, but in the individual behind them. Do you think judges should prioritize accountability or mental health support when sentencing nonviolent offenders?
All right, anything from the state?
No, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, so what were your issues on this day?
Not too sure.
Well, I mean, they're recommending that you be placed on the mental health caseload. And I know there were previous hospitalizations for him. So are you current on your medications?
For severe ADHD.
I'm sorry?
No, not for the severe ADHD. I have some from college when the doctor prescribed some left over, but I don't take it on a daily.
Okay, when's the last time you saw a doctor?
Since I came here to college, put myself through college, I haven't been able to get health care really.
Okay. Because it seems to the court, and correct me if I'm wrong, counsel, that there is mental health issues according to the PSI report.
Yeah, according to the PSI, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't mean.
No. So he needs to figure out how to obtain his medications, because otherwise there may be.
This exchange shifts the tone from legal to human. The defendant's honesty reveals how untreated mental health can intersect with criminal behavior. The judge's questioning isn't accusatory, it's investigative, probing for context. This moment highlights a broader issue, how economic barriers often prevent consistent care for conditions that influence behavior and judgment.
Issues for him. And it appears that part of the reasons for this happening, and the reason I'm assuming the state offered him deferred adjudication, is because of mental health issues.
Yes, Your Honor. And the PSI, I believe, addresses the Genesis program. I also conferred with probation as it relates to kind of the ins and outs of that program.
Mhm.
And I'd also discussed that with Mr. Reason, anticipating that the court would probably pick up on that. And so we don't have any objections if the court were to order him into that caseload, Judge.
All right. And are you living by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I just got my first apartment.
Okay. And do you have any family support here or no?
I came to Texas in 2018 and put myself through college and leave Detroit. And I've just been doing life on my own since, trying my best.
Okay. Ms. Abrams, what do you suggest? We have some mental health issues and he's not on medications because he doesn't have health care. And you all are recommending the mental health caseload. Should I also refer him to Center for Healthcare Services or? Okay. All right. So what do you need from the court to be successful?
I asked the probation officers for resources to help me with like food and things like that, just to help me set myself up for success.
Okay. And
I
are
got those
you,
resources.
so you have an apartment, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I am a sales associate. I used to, before this, which I'm hoping to go back to, I was a supervisor at the airport for plane refuelers.
Okay.
It's pretty fun.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors.
This section captures a rare moment of dialogue about rehabilitation goals. The defendant's humility, asking for food and stability rather than leniency, humanizes him. The conditions set forth balance accountability with opportunity. Notably, the prohibition on animal ownership underscores the moral gravity of the offense, while still allowing him to rebuild through structured guidance. Do these sentencing conditions feel fair or too restrictive given his cooperation?
Taking consideration 2025 PF 20245, 4 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution, no possession or ownership of any animals, the mixed caseload, field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation. Is there anything else that's recommended?
Definitely.
All right, when you see probation, you need to make sure that they know that you need to seek help with Center for Healthcare Services.
Sure.
And I know they'll do it, but sometimes people forget.
Yeah.
Sometimes things fall through the crack. And how do you spell your last name?
Reason. Reason.
All right, so the record will reflect that the last name is spelled Reason, not Reeson. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes.
sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
And happy belated birthday.
Thank you. Oh, it's not belated. I celebrate the entire month, but I appreciate that.
This gentle close contrasts with the case's serious undertones. The exchange shows humanity within procedure, a momentary reminder that even in justice, kindness matters. It also signals final accountability, the defendant's understanding that his future depends on adherence to conditions, not legal loopholes. How important is empathy from judges in influencing rehabilitation outcomes?
In the end, judges' decision to impose deferred adjudication reflects belief in redemption through responsibility. The case illustrates a core judicial principle that accountability and empathy can coexist. While the underlying offense remains painful to acknowledge, the outcome serves as a reminder. Justice is most effective when it rehabilitates, not merely punishes. If you found this breakdown informative, consider subscribing for more real courtroom analyses that explore how justice, accountability, and humanity intersect.